Hello everyone and welcome back. Two open back planar magnet headphones. One costs $200, the other used to cost $500, but now sits around $260 to $300. Which one is actually worth your money? Let's find out. The FiiO FT1 Pro looks sharp. Metal and plastic build, open grill so you can see the driver inside, and it comes with 3 cables in the box. The ear pads attached with a simple twist, so swapping them out is easy. The HiFiMAN Edition XS has that big egg-shaped cup design. It feels a bit flimsy in the headband area, and the pads use a special shape that's harder to replace. Build quality goes to the FiiO on this one. The FT1 Pro is adjustable in every direction and sits well on most heads. The Edition XS is large, almost too large for most people, and the headband has a little padding which can get uncomfortable over long sessions. The FT1 Pro sounds bold and full, the bass hits hard and tight, vocals feel up close and personal, and the treble is smooth. No harshness, no listener fatigue. Great for rock, hip-hop, electronic music. The Edition XS sounds wider and more open. The soundstage, meaning how far the music feels like it stretches around you, is one of the biggest you can get at any price. It's cleaner, more detailed, and more refined. Vocals sit a bit further back, and the whole presentation feels more spacious and technical. If you want the best value right now and love a punchy, engaging sound, the FT1 Pro at $200 is a steal. But if you can stretch to the Edition XS and want a better detail, bigger soundstage, and a headphone that actually responds well to EQ, it wins on pure performance. Both headphones punch way above their price. Drop a comment below telling us which one you'd pick, like and subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.